Hello everyone, welcome to our Fitness Gadgets YouTube channel. Today we will show you top 5 best Smith machine reviews, the cheap Smith machine. There are 3 other best cheap Smith machines along with Refit Smith machine and Valor Fitness Smith machine. Are you looking for Smith machine upper body workout or Smith machine full body workout? Then this video is for you. In this video we discuss 5 major fitness Smith machines that can help you find the Smith machine of your choice. Make your home a Smith machine home gym. Before that, by giving a like to the video, you can tell what kind of Fitness Gazette product review you want to see. To get the fitness product videos first, you can subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified with a notification as soon as a new video. Number 5. Altis Strength Light Commercial Home Gym Smith Machine. Strength training equipment all-in-one. This complete training system features an innovative structure that combines arm and leg stations to strengthen different muscle groups and perform comprehensive workouts, limiting the need to switch between gym equipment. Cable machine gym equipment. This light commercial equipment is reinforced with a heavy-duty steel frame with a durable powder-coated finish. It uses strong aircraft wire with a tensile strength of 2,000 pounds that is guaranteed to withstand intense prolonged use. Exercise equipment. Engage in intense weightlifting or strength training in the comfort of your home. It has 6 weight plate pegs built into the frame, allowing you to organize weights/barbells on the machine for easy accessibility. Weight plate not included. Home gym machine. This versatile weight system home gym is designed with dual action press arms. Press arms allows you to do a variety of arm and chest exercises to develop your biceps, triceps, pectorals, and other muscle groups. Leg press machine. Featuring a dual-function leg developer, this unit comes with a pivot point that facilitates proper body composition during workouts, allowing maximum impact on targeted muscle groups. Number 4. Inspire Fitness Functional Trainer Multifunctional Cable Machine Home Gym System. Full body strength training. FT2 brings the whole gym to you. IT is equipped with 2 165 pounds weight stacks, 1 adjustable bench, 2 sliding pulleys, 2 upper pulleys, for lower pulleys, a selective Smith bar, a pull-up bar and a complete accessory kit. Built-in Smith machine. FT2. This patented selectorized Smith bar is attached directly to the weight stack. You don't need to load and unload the Olympic plates to change the weight. Just remove the pins and start lifting. Impressive extra features. Space to secure your water bottle, phone, or tablet during workouts. A storage rack to keep your accessories organized, and the ability to upgrade each stack by an additional 50 pounds with the purchase of the Inspire Fitness 50 pounds weight stack add-on. Over 10 accessories included: tricep rope, 2 rubber D handles, dual hook straight bar, easy curl bar, ankle strap, multifunction belt, sport handle, 5-pound add-on weights, 2 water bottles, and exercises book. Train with Center by Chris Hemsworth. Includes a 3-month subscription to Center's digital platform featuring training from Chris Hemsworth's team of experts, $59.99 digital subscription savings. Enjoy 1,900 plus workouts, meal plans, and nutrition tips and mindfulness tools for total wellness. Number 3. Major Fitness Smith Machine. New design. Major Ludi. The new generation Smith machine SML07 can provide more muscle training and a real home gym without adding more attachments. Advantages of SML07. Compared with other Smiths, it has more complete functions. 6 training parts are included for maximum muscle exercise, 2 non-interfering pulley systems, which means you can train with your family and friends. Unbeatable price. To meet the needs of customers, the goal of keeping costs down is unwavering. There are 2 crossbars behind the power cage for extreme stability at all times. 18-month after-sales warranty service saves you more money. About SML07. The footprint is 72.83 inch L x 79.53 W x 84.65 H, and it has enough depth to ensure perfect operation of bench press and squat. 0.13 gauge steel thickness doesn't make you afraid of heavy weight. Hundreds of tests. SML07 still high can maintain stability while it can withstand over 450 pounds during training rated at 1,600 pounds. Attached attachments. All parts that you see in the first main picture are all included. lat and cable bars, landmine sets, cable crossover attachments, etc. can provide you with a wide range of upper and lower body training, deadlifts, rows, pull-ups, etc. to exercise your back, chest, arms, thighs, and abs. What you get. Major Ludi's mission is to create innovative, simple, and affordable home fitness equipment for fitness enthusiasts and provide the best life health integration solutions for the future. An 18-month component replacement service is guaranteed. Number 2. RitFit M1 Smith Machine with Cable Crossover System. Efficient Smith Machine. The Smith machine with cable crossover system is made of heavy-duty 2-inch by 2-inch steel uprights. Overall dimensions are 64.5 inch L x 68.1 W x 85.3 H with multiple 1-foot holes. It provides ample exercise space. Experience efficient and safe strength training with the M1's integrated design, incorporating linear bearings and a bottom spring shock absorption system. Smooth cable crossover system. Benefit from the Power Rack cable crossover system. Featuring a dual slide rail structure and stainless steel composite material, made of roller bearings and high-strength steel wires, provides a smooth and durable operation, ensuring a reliable workout for low crossover, high crossover, mid crossover, chest press, mid-row, bent-over row, lat pushdown, overhead triceps extension and more. Professional Smith Attachment System. The M1 Smith system uses a rolling bearing design and is equipped with professional spring protection. T has a high weight capacity of up to 1,500 pounds and offers 11 selectable heights, guaranteeing a safe and stable workout experience. Powerful Storage System. The squat rack stands out with its powerful storage system, featuring 5 top rear hooks, central storage crossbeam, and 6 weight plate holders for convenient organization of weights and accessories. Elevate your home gym experience with a clutter-free and organized space. Abundant accessories included. The M1 is fully equipped with various accessories such as landmine, T-bar, dip handles, J-hooks, safety spotter arms, band peg, 2 lat pull-down handles, and rowing footplate. These additions enhance the machine, offering users a complete and diverse home gym experience. RitFit support. The RitFit M1 Power Cage comes with a basic warranty, lasts for 36 months on the main steel frames and 12 months on the accessories, easy to assemble with illustrative manual and installation video and all the necessary hardware included. Please feel free to contact us with any of your concerns. Number 1. Kong Power Cage, 1,200 pounds power rack with LAT pull-down. 1:1 ratio for heavy resistance. Enjoy a full-body workout in comfort using this premium power cage, featuring an integrated lat pull-down system and low row system, such as lat pull-downs, tricep push-downs, bicep curls and face pulls. The lat/low row system is more budget-friendly and compact for home gyms than cages with FT. Its multi-grip pull-up bar allows for different grip positions, targeting different muscle groups for maximum results. Seamless adjustment. Experience seamless transitions between exercises with 17 adjustable height positions, clearly marked for convenience. Whether you're performing squats, bench presses, or rows, easily customize the setup to suit your preferences and body type. The 87-inch height pull-up bar allows you to perform better pull-ups. You can do unlimited exercises in this complete power cage. Space-efficient design. Maximize your home gym space without compromising functionality. This power rack boasts a compact footprint, 22 square feet, while offering plenty of storage options, including weight storage pins and handle storage hooks, keeping your workout area neat and organized. Premium features. Built to last. The C3 Power Cage is fully equipped with essential attachments including safety spotters, dip bars, J-hooks, and a T-bar row attachment. Plus, enjoy added convenience with included accessories like carabiner clips, extension chains for cables and weight holder clips, elevating your workout experience to new heights. Unparalleled stability. This strength training power cage features 14-gauge, 2x2-foot steel tubes. The new steel structure combined with triangle connectors is more durable and can be rated to 1,200 pounds strong bearing capacity, allows you to challenge large weights. Dimensions: 43.3 inch L, *39.4 W, 87H, assembled weight, 167 pounds. Make sure height is over 87 inches before purchase.